Do not trust this thing that you call the ICC. You cannot be optimistic about the situation since this is a foreign institution and I do not know, it has its own issues. Even the United States sanctioned the ICC, right? They have issues with the United States. So it's hindi ko alam talaga. I do not trust this thing that you call the ICC. Because most of the people that are in there are from developing countries.
Correct.
Wala kang makikita diyan na you know from the EU or whatever or Western countries. You know, you don't find people there from West-leaning nations.